Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a new collection from Olens. I don't think it's like their latest one because I just checked on their site, they have like a few more new ones, but back when I first got it, it was like the latest. But this is the Honeyring collection, so it comes in 3 colors. It comes in cocoa, brown and grey. So first let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this like this same packaging as the previous collection as well. When you see a box like this, it means that it lasts up to like 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. This Honeyring collection lasts up to 2 months, and inside it does come in a pair. So this time in this video I did manage to film a clip for you guys where to show how I open the jar up. This one is very easy to open this time. I didn't even need to use my fingernail. I just used my thumb, just pull it out, twist it out, and the jar came unopened. Open. In regards of the diameter, the total diameter is 14mm, which is like your usual Olens diameter size. But then on the graphic diameter, it is actually 13.4mm, which is actually bigger than your Olens Spanish and your Olens Purple. What I find special about this particular Honeyring collection is that yes, it is very natural, but at the same time it gives you like that faded out effect on the outer rim of the contact lens for all 3, which I thought was really cool. I also noticed for all 3 of this contact lens, it has like this unique pattern to it. It has like this, not only is like a faded outer rim, but on the inside it gives you that milky look on the inside, and also it looks like a bit like, you know, like a hurricane, like a tornado. It looks like that effect but in a milky blurred way, which I think that's how they make it really natural, because when you actually put it on, it looks like a blur effect. It just looks faded. It doesn't look like opaque, like in your face kind of contact lens, you know, like compared to Spanish and Purple, you can see it's just right there, you know, you can see the natural contact lens, but this one is just very blurred out when you see it. So let's talk about Honeyring Cocoa right now, which is what I'm wearing. So again, the outer rim, you have that faded out light brown rim. It's a very faded rim, like you can tell it is a rim, but it's very faded. On the inside, you can see that milky looking pattern to it. So it has a bit of a light brown, but also have a little hint of gray. I'm not sure that the gray, if it's because of my iris, my pupil, or it's just the contact lens, but I'm pretty sure it's not the contact lens, because when I actually look at it in person, the contact lens itself is just brown. So I think it's just somehow just blur out my natural eye color. The second one is Honeyring Brown. I'm gonna look down to see the contact lens, but on me it is more of like a hazel green color. So first you have like that very sheer beigey outer rim, again faded out, and on the inside it has like that milky looking thing, and again it's like hazel, but in between it has that gray effect. So I'm pretty sure somehow it just faded out my eye color. If I have to choose between the brown and the cocoa, it's actually really hard, because depending on my mood, I guess if I want something very natural, something that is just like brown eyeshadow all over, I would go with the cocoa. But if I want more of like a, I don't know, gray eyeshadow, or like more out there but not too natural, I would go for the brown. The last one is the grey, and as always, I'm sure if you guys have watched a lot of my Olens video, you would know that I do love my grey color. And again, this one is very unique. Again, on the outer rim, it has like that light faint beigey outer rim, like it's so close to white but beige at the same time. And then on the inside, you have like this very nice cool tone gray, and also on the inner part you see a little bit, a hint of like beigey brown as well, just blended into the eyeball, which I thought was a very unique contact lens as well. It's just a very different gray color. Like I was surprised how light this actually turned out on my eye. I actually expected it darker, because I thought that if it's a natural one to blend with my eye, it would just look darker, but this one it didn't. It just looked lighter, which I thought was really nice. So if I would have to choose out of all the 3, this time around is actually very tricky, because I actually like all 3 of them. I just like the faded effect of this, and it's completely different to the Olens Spanish and the Olens Purple, because if I have to compare which one is more natural, the most natural, definitely the Spanish slash Persipo, but this one at the same time is sort of natural. But if someone were to look at your eyes closely, they can definitely tell that you are wearing contact lens. But if the Persipo and the Spanish, people can't really tell, you know. But yeah, again, it's natural, but at the same time it's not natural. In regards of the price, this is definitely much more cheaper. It is $16, and I'll put my code right here for you guys if you guys want to save some money. I'm not sponsored or anything, just so you know. It's just solely a discount code for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what contact lens you want me to try out next, because I'm definitely keen on trying more lenses because I need to stock up more. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.